Okay, going down. Oh, cannot go down. Where should I go? Oh no, I don't want to go back. Let's go down. Oh wow, beautiful park. Where's the entrance? Welcome, this is an interactive video, okay? And this is going to be in English, but everything that is being said, you can translate to your target language while you're listening. And this is how I would go about learning languages on my day-to-day. Let's get into it. Oh wow, a lot of people are here. Let's see, is there any entrance? No entrance here. Let's just continue. Wow, there's buses. How would I say bus in Chinese? I don't remember. It would be like something with chur, right? All right, let us continue. Oh wow, I'm glad I wore something long. No, like a very, very like silk. 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 What is silk in Chinese? I don't remember. But I know it's soie in French. So let me continue. Oh wow. There's lots of great efficient buildings over us. Okay, let's just continue. Oh, this is the BTS. What does this stand for? I'm not sure. Oh, they even got another service here. Here must be the entrance. What is the entrance in French? I know that the entrance is in French. I know that the entrance is no exit. Sortie. So I'm not sure what the entrance is then. So, but I will continue. All right, let's see. Oh wow, here, welcome. Where am I going? I know already where I am going. I've been here many times. Oh wow. C'est le color vert. Il colore verde. Very beautiful. Lots of people are here. So I can't wait to really get my feet into the ground. But wow, this is lots of sunshine. So let's continue on this beautiful walk. Oh no, I have not yet found the entrance. So here it looks like there's the weekend market, but there's also the park. Where should I go first? I think I want to go to the park first. But unless I don't find the entrance in the next 5 minutes, then let's go to the weekend market. It's very empty because during the weekend market it's normally very, very full. And I see an entrance here, but it looks like to be closed. And it says it opens at 8. It's already 8. So let's just continue going on. What would you do if you were here? There's the market here right now. It's one of the biggest markets in China. And then there's the park. Me personally, I like to go and dug my feet into the park. And the walking, it just makes me feel good. Let's see. Oh wow, they have fences. Fences, I would say in German it's Zaun. And then in Italian it's cancello. And yeah, that will be already it. And here's the market already. Wow. Together with the mall. So if I wanted to, I could also go to the mall. But I'm looking to get into that park. Where's the nearest entrance? Beautiful green. Muy, muy bonito el verde. Very beautiful, the green. And you see the flag in the background? This is the Thai flag. This is the Thai flag. We're going on. We're going on. I still haven't found the entrance. That means that at the exit of the metro station, I should have gone back. All right. So these are all the things that I think in English, but you can think them in your target language. And here's the entrance of the big mall. So in case I could also just go to the mall, but I'm still looking for this entrance. Looks like there's the other park as well, because really I'm just looking to go back home all the way by foot. You know what I'm saying? To stay active and to really get this sunshine onto me. Yeah, the sunshine on me, and also get smiling and seeing new views. I think today's a very special day. Beautiful. Beautiful. So let's go on and continue. Yeah, this is how we greet here. So when you are in a new country, just get used to how they greet you here and then greet back to you like them. Oh, here's the entrance. Should we go in? Yes, let's go in. Thank you for helping me today. We're gonna go in together until we find a good place to get our feet into the grass. Let's go in, left, right. Thank you for being here with me. We're going into the park now. You will be amazed on how beautiful it looks. Sawadee-ka. So beautiful park. Do you see these colors? Do you see the roads? The beautiful flowers on the ground? This is just as beautiful as God made women. It's the nature that surrounds. So I see a map here and I don't understand any of the language. All I can see is the map. And the map is telling us that we are, I don't know where we are at right now. We're at an entrance. Not sure, but I'm a walk just towards where the east should be, just towards east, so north and then east. This is where the sun goes up. This is where our house is. This is beautiful. Do you see those flowers on that tree? This is just incredible. Oh my God. This is incredibile. Incredibile. The little animals working. This is so beautiful here. And normally I just follow my intuition and choose the brightest path. And right now I feel that here is very bright, so I want to go for there. And so, do you see this? Oh my God. Seems like it's a beautiful day today, and I'm so glad I brought my water. So what should we do right now? Should we go ahead and walk a little more and go to our destination already, or should we go down and sit? Go down and sit? Okay. I see very, very beautiful houses, but I think that someone inhabits those. So let's just go on a little. This is everywhere. You know, the thing about Thailand is that you can't smoke, drink alcohol, or even bring your pets, litter, in certain parks. In many park areas. And so this shows that it's a very, very, very clean environment. There's no type, you can feed the animals as well, so you don't disturb any. And this is beautiful. So let's just go on. And we're coming here. Should I go left or right? Yes, I'll go to the right. Remember, we will stay together until I have my feet on the ground. That means my bare feet. Oh, beautiful. There's beautiful flowers. But let's just go to the right. Oh, wow. Where should we go? Maybe to the left. Beautiful. Let's just walk along. The distance, you see the houses. And you also see the beautiful nature and butterflies in the trees. Beautiful walk in here. So I'm very glad to share you along with me. Once I find a nice place to just sit down, put my feet into it, this is when we're gonna have today's talk ended. So let's see where's a nice place. And I think that the park has just opened and it is so clean. So beautiful, really, really big pleasure. And you see the roots, you see that those places are so healthy, so happy because the roots of those trees, they're just so thick and thriving. And so there's either this or that. And I'm continue going here because I feel that that's where I'm gonna find water, I'm gonna find grass to sit on. And this was the truth. The birdie is telling me, welcome. Yes, I can find places to sit. Already a child is here. This is great because this is the part of the park that isn't as accessible from our house because I have gone with a metro station. And so now I'm really at a place that is truly magical, that I haven't been at before yet. Really beautiful. You see those small, beautiful, really, really, I need to say this is a really beautiful place. And where should I sit down? I'll probably sit down at this beautiful lit up spot there. Let's just go there together. There's a nice road that just leads there. So let's do this. And while I get there, I practice just smiling. I'm so grateful. This air I'm breathing in, so nice. Oh my God, I'm so blessed that I get to go with the public transportation here, and I'm so blessed I get to exchange my money, and I'm so blessed to have just bought lots of supplies online. I'm so blessed to have my microphone. 3 times more blessed. 1, 2, 3. So beautiful. Okay, we're just here. I'm so blessed to have amazing feet to walk on. And now it is our time to go there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here everything is clean. Everything is just perfect. So let's just sit down. I will let you guys here on the back. Beautiful. So nice, really. Thailand has really treated me and us very well. Reason why is because we've been eating great food. We've been also finding places to get a little more bulk of food for, even better prices than they already are. And also the quality is so great. The meat that we're getting is the bulk, is 1 kilo of meat, and it has so much like fat in it, so tasty, and it makes lots of juice. Yeah, and so it makes lots of juice. And then we're getting also bread and just all of this, all the basic food here. we're getting all of our nutrients filled, and I'm so blessed and so happy. And so I want to share how happy I am with you guys that everything is coming together and that all of this has paid off. And leaving the country the first time 1.5 years ago was really worth it, and now the second time that I've gone to Bangkok is so worth it. Really beautiful places to see, to visit, plus you're living another lifestyle here, and so this is really nice and beautiful. And so together here we're with our hands on the ground, with our feet touching something that touches the ground and is able to transmit electric frequencies. It's gonna connect you immediately. Plus, like, trees like this are so nice to connect with, and definitely when you touch those you will get great benefits. And so I'm very glad and I'm happy to invite you to partake for the multilingual premium chat, and it starts on the 1st of January together. It is a monthly subscription and it's accessible for $25 monthly. We're starting with that price, and you can get godfathered with that price. And basically inside what you're learning for the first 5 days, there's gonna be this challenge for yourself and with yourself to become fluent in the basics of the language within the first 5 days, and to be able to start a conversation, hold it and finish it. And then over the first month you'll be able to, starting from different fluency points, you'll be able to either overcome the intermediate plateau or become better in. That's what like students of mine did. They became even more fluent in the language, and they were able to talk now about politics in that language when before they switched over to English. Or as an absolute beginner, they were able to introduce themselves. After 1 month, people are able to really like make presentations or sing whole songs in that language already. And so just give it time sometimes. And hope you enjoy those videos. If you see like those 20-minute videos, that's mostly just unscripted and uncut videos, and these are great for just language and culture apprentice. While when you see shorter videos of that, these are just like value bombs, and these literally are scripted videos perfectly designed for my ideal client, Rosalind, to really get you into moving on to another country and get you learn the ancient wisdom off of learning a language. And that's really my mission, is to help millions of people learn languages so easily, and that is really not that hard if you really know the methods and know how you learn best. And so thank you so much for being here. My name is Multilingual Cat. What is your name? Let me know in the comments. And honestly, today is just going to be another day where I focus on creating content for my dear persona Rosalind, and then I'm looking also to create content for other projects I have. And really this is just a great moment here in Thailand, that this is really what I've came here to do, to just really find nature, find peace, at the same time work on projects and get myself out of my comfort zone. This is around my 20th video that I'm just filming unscripted, and I'm very glad that I put this work in. And so I'm happy to see you guys on this next video.